In this tutorial, I'll show you how to run an OLS regression in Excel using the Data Analysis ToolPak. I'll walk through running the regression and interpreting the key outputs you need for applied research. First, make sure the Analysis ToolPak is enabled. For this, go to File, Options, Add-ins. At the bottom, choose Excel Add-ins, click Go, and check Analysis ToolPak. Once it's active, you'll see Data Analysis in the Data tab. This is the dataset I'll use. We have values for government debt and inflation for one country, running from 2000 to 2024. For Excel to run a clean regression, make sure there are no missing values, no text entries, and that your column headers are clear. To run the linear regression, go to Data, Data Analysis, Regression. Select your Y range for the dependent variable and your X range for the independent variable. In our example, the dependent variable is government debt and the independent variable is inflation. Check labels if your first row contains headers. Choose an output location and click OK. I will select New Worksheet for the table. This is the output table. The coefficient next to your independent variable is your estimated slope, the effect of x on y. The intercept is the predicted value of y when x equals 0. Look at the p-value. A small value shows the relation between x and y is statistically significant. We have a 0.04 value, which means the relation is significant at the 5% threshold. R squared tells you how much of the variation in y is explained by x. Higher values mean a better fit. We have small r squared, which is normal given the small scale of the model used in this tutorial. Finally, standard errors and confidence intervals help you understand the uncertainty around your estimate. Smaller standard errors indicate more precise estimates. Now let's create a scatter plot. First, select both columns of data, your independent variable on the left and your dependent variable on the right. Next, go to the top ribbon and click Insert. In the Charts section, choose Scatter, and select the first option, the simple scatter with only markers. Now, go to Chart Design, add Chart Element, and select Trendline to add a linear trendline. To display the equation on chart, right-click the trendline, choose Format Trendline, and display equation on chart. And we can see the slope and intercept coefficients from the output table. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next episode, where I'll show how to run multiple regressions.